She insists that the red dress is her favorite. I insist on finishing my puzzle before bedtime. He insists on playing with the big toy truck. I insist that the yellow balloon is the best. He insists on wearing his superhero cape to the park. I declare today is my special day. I declare that the blue crayon is my favorite. He declares his goal to become a firefighter. She declares herself the captain of our game. I declare that I want to be a doctor when I grow up. I maintain my room by cleaning it every week. She maintains her bicycle to keep it working well. I maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating fruits and vegetables. He maintains good grades by studying regularly. She maintains her garden by watering the plants. Where do I claim my baggage? I claim the red toy as mine. I claim the front seat in the car. I claim the TV remote to choose a show. I claim the purple backpack for school.